Ashina Reservoir. This is where I was. So we're gonna press square again. Alright. So we're gonna press L3 to crouch down. So what do we do now? Slowly moving in the bushes so they don't see me. Wolf can slip into tight space such as beneath floor when crouched. Okay, I see. So there's one here. Oh my god. Did he saw me again? Bro, would you let me be for 2 seconds? Alright. Yo. I was a bit scared. I think he let go of me right now. Okay. Climb down. Yo, okay, can you guys slow the music down? I understand I almost get cut. Yo. What is it with all those shinobi? Bro, why you jump so fast? Relax, man. You don't need to jump so fast, bro. This guy jumps so high, so fast. If I fall down there, I don't think I'll be able to come out. Yo, this guy just jumped way too far. Way too high. He jumps so high, man. Crazy guy. Yo, that music is kinda annoying right now. Push down there. Nah, there's no way. I have to go this way. I have to go this way, man. Yo, that music. Why is that music so loud? Why is that music even here? Yeah. There we go. This is the place. I was a stupid man. I was the one knowing. Where do I go? You know what I mean? Go down. Okay. Gonna jump here again. Boo. What the heck? Well, you need to chill, man. That's a stealth mission right here. It's a stealth mission, bruv. It's nothing serious.
You're so dumb.
Yeah, you're so dumb, bro. Like, don't make a fuss about it, okay? Just relax and do your thing. This guy, yo, this guy, man. How do I avoid this guy? This guy gaze. Bro, I was so shocked.
You're so dumb.
Yeah. There's a kid over here. I hope he's not gonna call anybody for me. Okay, he's not gonna call anybody.
You're so dumb.
That was super dumb of me. Hey, young lady. Hey, she saw me. You did well to come here. Okay.
お迎えに参上いたしました。我が主。
Free him from what?
表を上げよ。
Hey, that's my sword, bro. Thank you so much.
そなたの刀だ。
Give it to me. Appreciate it.
我が忍びよ。
Appreciate it, bro.
主従の約定に従い。命を賭し、我に仕えよ。
Why would I do that?
御意。
Alright. Sure. Let's do it. So I have to save this guy over here. Alright, trophy earned. A katana given by Kuo. The divine heir, an heirloom of the Irata family, a Kade branch descend from Ashina. Once thought lost, he has found his way back into the hand of the wolf. The name Kusabi Maru beseech. A shinobi rule is to kill, but even a shinobi must not forget mercy. A man sure the blade itself may manifest. So the sword can, you mean the sword can show mercy? Alright, let's talk to him a bit.
狼よ。
No, well,
傷を負っておるようだな。
I see you're wounded.
そうだ。そなたにこれを託そう。
Alright.
薬水のひょうたんだ。これで傷を癒してくれ。
Alright, healing good. A good filled with vitality, restoring medicine, resting with feel good. Made by an apprentice of the extraordinary Dr. Dugan. It is strange that the good medicinal water we feel automatically. The seed within may hold the secret to how it works. Okay.
さて、そなたの体、その後大事はないか。
その後とは。
あの世のこと、覚えておらぬのか。
はい。
いや、司祭は後にしよう。今はこのアシナの城を脱さねばならぬ。
御意。
堀沿いに進んだ橋の下に場外への抜け穴がある。一心様よりそう聞いたことがある。まずはその橋下の抜け穴を見つけてきてほしい。見つけたらそうだな。足の歯笛で合図をくれるか。ほら昔聞かせてくれたであろう。ピーッとな。その音を頼りにそなたのもとへ行こう。
Sure. You can cycle through various quick items and use each according to the situation. For instance, if you have taken damage, you can recover vitality with the healing good. Use quick items, cycle quick items. Alright. This is the door. Let me explore a little bit more. Thing look like a prison right here. It's so simple. There's a hat here. I don't know if I can take it. Alright, why would you talk to the guy? I don't need to talk to him again. You have another floor up there. Let me check on the floor to see what's going on. Alright, something I can grab. Medicinal palette that slowly restores vitality, a secret treatment passed down for generations in this land. Records say has been used to battle since time long gone, and lend to the famed resilience of Ashina warrior. A pill case full of this pellet will also serve as a bottle charm. Alright, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Really appreciate the kind gesture. I cannot open that. Another hat here. I cannot take it, so let it go. I mean, this guy just kick everything around here, man. This savage guy. Alright, I'm gonna open the door now.
狼よ無理はするな
Do not push yourself
ど
too
うか
far.
傷を癒してくれ
Don't worry, bro. I'll try not to push myself too hard. Don't worry about it. A shinobi aim to break an opponent's posture. Attacking an enemy is one way to achieve this. When an enemy posture break, he is vulnerable to a shinobi death blow. R1 attack after breaking posture death blow.